Me like a Hellcat.
Want to track your physical activity, but aren't interested in putting on a wristband, a ring, or some other wearable every single morning? Maybe the Spire Health Tag can provide a more interesting option. Instead of being worn on your body, the device is designed to attach onto frequently worn items of clothing, so you can track your activities without the need for any extra accessory. They recommend attaching it to underwear for both men and women to keep things discreet, as the device is required to either be pushing against your lower abdomen, underpants, or on the side of the chest, bra, while touching your skin the whole time. For nighttime use, the waistband of your pajama, or whatever underwear you sleep with, is also recommended. The Spire Health Tag is a rectangular panel measuring 53 x 32 x 6 mm with X height x depth, so it's not exactly as flat as a sticker. As such, slapping it on the inside part of clothing might cause some discomfort. It's basically like a thick patch, although the outfit claims it's been tested to be comfortable and safe to wear against your skin all day long. It's waterproof, so you can sweat on it as much as you want, apart from having a long-lasting adhesive backing that stays on even when the piece of clothing is put through the washer and dryer. That's right, it basically stays on the piece of clothing like a label. Do note, they recommend that you wait 24 hours after attaching before putting it in the washer to allow the adhesive to set in. During use, the device can track basic physical activity, steps, distance, calories burned, heart rate variability, breathing patterns, stress levels, and sleep quality. That makes it useful not just during exercise and sleep like traditional fitness trackers, but all throughout the day. Use it to manage your stress levels while grinding at the office, as well as keep a close watch on your breathing patterns in order to keep yourself calm through high-pressure tasks. The Spire Health Tag uses a 3-axis accelerometer, a thoracic excursion sensor, and a PPG sensor to perform all of its measurements, while an integrated coin cell battery allows it to run for up to 18 months before needing to be thrown out. Yes, thrown out, as the battery is not replaceable, so you're probably not a fan if you don't like devices with planned obsolescence built in. The 18-month estimate assumes you won't use the same underwear every day, by the way, so you'll probably need to buy a bunch of these and slap it on various pieces of clothing. They recommend buying a pack of 8, bare minimum. When paired to a smartphone, all data is sent to the companion app over Bluetooth, where you can view your stats and find a variety of recommendations. Do note, you'll need to pair at least once a day, as the onboard memory can only hold 24 hours worth of data. The app, by the way, is only available on iOS for now, although they also have an Android app on the pipe. The Spire Health Tag is available now, priced at $49 for a single unit, while a 15-pack goes for $299. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.